Hi, book friends. I want to say hello and welcome you to Cherish's Book Party. If you haven't heard of Usborne Books and More, you're in for a real treat because our books are super high quality. The price point is very affordable and they are beautiful and well researched and very sturdy. I'm going to show you just a few books to get your interest piqued. We have books for babies. This one has touchy-feely patches on every page. So we get our kids involved, even our tiny tots involved in books, because the more books that they hear, the more books that they read, the bigger vocabulary they have, and the better off they're going to be in life. This is from That's Not My series. We have books for kids who are a little bit older. This is a gorgeous brand new book we have out, coming out January 2016. This is A Peek Inside a Fairy Tale, Little Red Riding Hood. You can see the depth, which is amazing. The cutouts, layer upon layer, unfold to tell the story. This is the classic story that we all know and love. I love the detail. Look at the little bird's nest and the spider's web. You can see, oh look, who's poking his head through here? What's going to happen next? Oh, she meets the wolf. This is a wonderful story and a wonderful heavy-duty construction. You'll love this. We have books for older kids. This is a hilarious comic book style book that your kids will love. This is great for kids who are a little bit older, who are reading chapter books. This is also a hilarious read aloud. There's 5 books in this series, and all of my kids enjoy them. We have tons of nonfiction. It's what we're most famous for. This is one of our older nonfictions for middle school and high school level. The pictures are amazing. The text is informative and still engaging. This is going to get them involved and excited about learning. This is just one of many topics that we have. We also have tons of activity type books. Here's just one example. This is a pocket fashion drawing and doodling book. Gives you a little bit of idea of what to do, and then it gives you room to go for it. I love these books. We have coloring books and drawing books and art books for kids from teeny tiny up through adults. You're going to love what you see, and I can't wait to see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.